Look at the sea. This is what happens when you dump rubbish into drain, lake, river, ocean. Those rubbish mixed with so many types of plastics. You might debate, I just throw the rubbish into river near my house. How could it end into sea? Whether we mean to litter or not, there is always a chance the plastics we throw away could make its way into the sea. Even though you live 1,000 miles from sea, the plastics you throw away could make its way into the sea. Once in the ocean, plastic decomposes very slowly, breaking down into tiny pieces known as microplastics that can be incredibly damaging to sea life. 80% of plastics in our oceans is from land sources. But what does that really mean? The bottom line is us, human, who was the major factor causes the pollution. Plastic pieces have been found in the stomachs of fish, birds, whales and other marine creatures that mistakes them as food, swallowing harmful plastics and toxic chemicals. Isn't it really sad looking at this? When I was collecting the data on the pollution in sea, will you believe that major cost of sea pollution was caused by cigarette butts? It never crossed your minds, right? Yes, based on this data, the cigarette butts are the top plastic polluters. With an estimated 2/3 of the trillions of filters used each year tossed into the environment. Look at these beautiful creatures. It's suffering because of us humans. Please help to save them. Do you know that trillions of cigarette butts are thrown into the environment every year, where they leach nicotine and heavy metals before turning into microplastics pollution? Look at this. Cigarette filters are made of plastics called cellulose acetate. When tossed into environment, they dump not only that plastics but also the nicotine, heavy metals and many other chemicals they have absorbed into the surrounding environment. The truth, when the cellulose acetate is processed, it actually takes a lot longer for cigarette filters to decay than it should be. According to Novotny, who founded the Cigarette Butt Pollution Project, the vast majority of the 5.6 trillion cigarettes manufactured worldwide each year comes with filters made of cellulose acetate. Cellulose acetate, a form of plastic that can take a decade or more to decompose. As many as 2/3 of those filters are dumped irresponsibly each year. These, as well as the decaying plastic, are then consumed by various sea creatures, and if that isn't awful enough, they finally end up in our own food again. Although the cigarette industry is looking at greener solutions for the production of cigarette filters and has been doing so for some time, smokers are being urged, both for the sake of nature as well for the public health, to consider whether it's really such a big effort to dispose of cigarette butts responsibly. Injection of plastic cigarette filters is a threat to wildlife. Sometimes even young children pick up and ingest cigarette butts. Wind and rain often carry cigarette butts into waterways where the toxic chemicals in the cigarette filters leak out, threatening the quality of water and the creatures that live in it. Many smokers just throw the butts everywhere. They don't ever thought that such small piece will contribute towards huge pollution and harmful to living life in the sea. The entire world life is a cycle chain. Every living life depends each other in some aspect. Please think of the impact when you're going to do something which may not right for you. those living life in the sea, unable to differentiate the food and the rubbish. Human becomes the main reason for the danger of their life. Dear soul, please throw your cigarette butts into dustbin. Please don't throw those butts into drain, river, lake, seaside, even anywhere. Please throw at the right place to save this earth. Without realize, you have harmed the nature all the whiles. By knowing it now, please give a stop to it. You are still smoking even though you know how harmful it is to your health, but you're willing to risk your life. But by knowing the impact to this earth, please don't throw the cigarette butts everywhere anymore. Please save water. Please save the living creatures and our Mother Nature. Thank you.